Do you know that having an optimized LinkedIn profile as a medical virtual assistant can actually earn you thousands of dollars? In this video, I'm going to share with you exactly what an optimized LinkedIn profile of a medical virtual assistant should look like. So after today's video, I want you to see your LinkedIn profile as your digital portfolio. You should be able to announce you before you announce yourself. You should also be able to build trust between whoever that wants to hire you and yourself. Because most times when you apply for jobs as a medical virtual assistant, you'll be required to link your LinkedIn profile to your applications. So you want your LinkedIn profile to also look the part. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. Hi everyone, my name is Judith and I help you become the best MedVA you can be out there. If this is your vibe, please hit on that subscribe button and let's keep it moving. Now the first question you must ask yourself is that if you're a recruiter or a doctor or a provider and you go on your own LinkedIn profile, would you want to hire yourself? Because you can actually lie to every other person out there, but you can't lie to yourself. So when you answer this question, you can now move over to the second stage. Now the first thing that makes a perfect MedVA LinkedIn profile is your profile picture. Your profile picture on your LinkedIn profile should actually be approachable. Please don't use any blurry picture or a selfie as your LinkedIn profile picture. That is not advisable. And also, do not use ChatGPT to generate a picture for your LinkedIn profile. And even if you want to use an AI to generate your LinkedIn profile picture, make sure it looks like you. Make sure there is no difference between you and the picture. Even if you want to use your phone to snap your LinkedIn profile picture, make sure you look professional enough. Now, once you have a clear LinkedIn profile picture, we can now proceed to the second part, which is your LinkedIn banner. So your LinkedIn banner should be clear about who you are and what you do. Also, use a very clear picture on that. If you want to use a picture on your LinkedIn banner, you can actually generate your LinkedIn banner from Canva and customize it to your own name and to your own brand and whatever you talk about on your LinkedIn profile. And now once that is done, we can now proceed to the third part, which is your LinkedIn headline. Okay, this is where some of you get it all wrong. Don't just go there and add medical virtual assistant and just leave it empty. No, you have to add value to what you do. You have to add value to your name. Okay, let's say that you are an aspiring medical virtual assistant. Don't just put aspiring medical virtual assistant full stop. Add value to it so that people can be able to connect with you and join and share with your journey on what you are doing at the moment. I would advise that you can actually check other LinkedIn profiles of other medical virtual assistants and use their own headlines to tailor your own unique self. I'm not saying you should go and copy what they are doing or copy what they wrote on their own. You can check a couple of people and then use theirs to tailor your own personal brand. Now after this, another most important thing you have to optimize on your LinkedIn profile is your about section. Just stick to what works for you. You must not be like every other person out there. Tell your own story, match your own medical background into your own story. Whatever experience you've had as a healthcare professional in the past, you can just join it together and get a powerful LinkedIn about section. So you don't have to figure it out all on your own. You can actually ask ChatGPT to help you. Now once you've done this, the next thing that is very important on your LinkedIn profile is what you post as a medical virtual assistant. Whatever you post as a medical virtual assistant should reflect your headline. You should make posts at least twice a week as a medical virtual assistant. Just post something related to what you do. If you are still learning, if you are still aspiring, post something related to what you are learning. If you are already a medical virtual assistant who has gotten her certifications and all of those things, post something related to what you've learned. And this way your LinkedIn profile is not just there, it's not just dormant, it's not just existing, it's actually working for you. And so people can be able to relate with you, relate with your story, relate with your journey and all of that. The next thing you must do on your LinkedIn profile is add your relevant certifications to your profile. Add all of your certifications that you've gotten related to your journey as a medical virtual assistant. You should not sleep on LinkedIn at all. Now the next thing you have to add on your LinkedIn profile is your experiences. You can reframe your past experiences to suit into what you currently do now as a medical virtual assistant, even if you have not gotten a job yet. If you worked as a healthcare professional in the past, make sure you reframe those skills and add it on your LinkedIn profile. So reframe your past experiences to fit into what you currently do now as a medical virtual assistant. So after watching this video, make sure you audit your LinkedIn profile. Ensure that you have a very clear headshot as your LinkedIn profile picture. Make sure you have a very clear banner stating what you do. Ensure that your headline is optimized. Make a post related to medical virtual assistants at least 2 times a week. Optimize your about section and make sure that your past experiences currently fit into what you do now as a medical virtual assistant. Now, if you found this video very helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up so that it will reach to a greater number of people. Turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss any MedVA content from this channel. And please subscribe on my YouTube channel. Please make sure you drop all of your questions in the comment section below, as I would answer every single one of them. And thank you for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.